Hey everyone, today I will be showing you how to use searart.ai, a text-to-image AI generator. searart.ai is a versatile platform that offers image generation, image enhancement, and AI chatbot, and even video creation. In this video, I will walk you through how to make the most of this remarkable AI tool. But first, if you're interested in staying up to date with the latest AI tools and how to use them effectively, this channel is perfect for you. We provide easy-to-follow tutorials and keep you informed. So, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to help us create more valuable content. Now, let us dive into the details. Creating AI art at searart is a remarkably straightforward process. Whether you have a specific model in mind or want to generate art from scratch, searart provides user-friendly options to bring your artistic vision to life. If you already have a particular model in mind, you can easily scroll through the selection and choose the one that best suits your artistic needs. Once you have found the perfect model, all it takes is a simple click on the try button, and you will be on your way to creating your AI artwork. However, if you prefer to start from a clean state and let your creativity flow freely, searart offers the Generate button conveniently located at the top of the interface, next to the search bar. By clicking this button, you initiate the exciting process of creating AI images from scratch. One of the outstanding features of searart is its natural language processing capability. You can enter your creative prompts in everyday language, making the process even more accessible. For example, you can type something as simple as "a handsome man walking on the beach" and hit the enter key. In a matter of seconds, searart's AI will interpret your input and generate an image based on your description. The results are often not only fast, but also remarkably impressive, reflecting the power and versatility of AI in the world of art. searart AI also offers advanced tools like ControlNet, expansion, and options to enhance image quality. Additionally, they provide features such as Describe, Review, and Prompt Studio. On the right side of the platform, you will find editing tools, including pre-written negative prompts, sampling steps, CFG scale, and SIE. A standout feature is the Creative Upscale option, which significantly improves the image. You can see the difference when comparing the original and upscaled versions. If you are not satisfied with this initial result, use the Creative Upscale feature to enhance it further. You can even remove the background and upscale the image to your liking. Return to the dashboard and select AI Chat. Here, you can engage in a conversation with your AI. The platform also offers other features like Swift AI, model and training, and a studio for you to explore. While the video creation capabilities may not be exceptional, it is a pleasant surprise to find this feature within searart AI. You can create a video using the images you have generated. Choose the images you want, add some music, and click Publish. Your video is ready to showcase your generated images. I am thoroughly impressed with the multifaceted capabilities of searart AI, from its image creation to its AI chat functionality and even its video production feature. Given that the platform is relatively new, we can anticipate forthcoming enhancements and thrilling advancements on the horizon. I am eager to hear your perspective and experiences, so I encourage you to dive into searart AI, and once you have explored its potential, kindly contribute your thoughts and innovative ideas in the comments section. Your insights have the potential to be immensely valuable to those keen on delving into the platform's possibilities. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.